dealing with a tenant who spray foams everything in your house, from ducts to drains, is a nightmare you never want to face but gotta handle fast. So here's the deal. First, don't just freak out. Take pictures and videos of all the damage to have proof. Then, get in touch with a professional restoration company that knows how to handle spray foam cleanup, especially since it can mess up your HVAC system and plumbing for real. Next, check your lease agreement and local laws about tenant damages so you know what you can charge for repairs or eviction. If the tenant still lives there, consider talking to a lawyer about eviction options because this kind of destruction can be grounds for it. Also, keep records of all communication with the tenant for legal backup. While waiting for repairs, shut off any affected utilities like water or air conditioning to prevent more damage. Make sure to warn any future tenants about your strict policy on damages to avoid repeats. Finally, get estimates from contractors for fixing ducts, drains, and any other parts ruined by the spray foam. One of the biggest mistakes landlords make with tenant destruction like spray foam damage is ignoring the problem and hoping it'll go away, which just lets the damage get worse and costs more later. Fix this by acting immediately with proper documentation and professional help. Another common issue is not knowing your legal rights, so landlords either overcharge tenants or don't charge enough for damages. Always check local tenant laws before proceeding. Last but not least, some landlords try to DIY repairs on ducts and drains affected by spray foam, which can cause more harm. It's way better to hire experienced contractors who know exactly how to handle this kind of mess. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really get the job done right after crazy situations like this. It also hooks up contractors with people who need serious repair work, so everyone wins.